Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone relying on their CZUR ET24 Pro professional book scanner, the UpBright 9V AC-DC adapter. This isn't just any power supply. It's specifically engineered to be fully compatible with the CZUR ET24 Pro, that impressive 24MP document camera featuring 3rd-gen auto-flattened tech and A3 document scanning capabilities. When you're working with such advanced and valuable equipment, a reliable and safe power source is absolutely paramount. What truly sets this UpBright adapter apart are its robust safety features. It comes equipped with OVP, OCP, and SCP protection. For those unfamiliar, OVP stands for Overvoltage Output Protection, ensuring your scanner isn't fried by an unexpected power surge. OCP, or Overcurrent Output Protection, prevents damage from excessive current flow, while SCP, Short Circuit Output Protection, safeguards against electrical shorts. These aren't just buzzwords. They represent critical layers of defense for your expensive CZUR scanner, giving users significant peace of mind. Another fantastic aspect is its global compatibility. With a worldwide input voltage of 100-240 VAC and 50-60 Hz, this adapter is ready for use almost anywhere on the planet. Whether you're traveling with your scanner or simply need a versatile power solution, this feature is incredibly convenient. It's a new global switching power supply, designed for efficiency and consistent performance. UpBright assures that these units are tested and in great working condition, which speaks volumes about their quality control. Furthermore, the company stands behind its product with a 30-day refund policy and a generous 24-month exchange program. This level of warranty support is a strong indicator of confidence in their product's durability and reliability. For anyone who owns a CZUR ET24 Pro, investing in a dedicated, high-quality power supply like this UpBright adapter isn't just an option. It's a necessity to ensure the longevity and optimal performance of their professional book scanner. It truly is the backbone for consistent, high-quality scanning operations.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.